At the Palladio Door Collection, we know what your home means to you, which is why we present to you the most secure, highly energy efficient and aesthetically pleasing doors that will stand the test of time. Every Palladio door is built with uncompromising security. From our 10-point locking system to the Renolit foil finish that never fades, we ensure your door stays as steadfast and vibrant as the day it was installed. Strength starts with innovation. Our fiberglass reinforced monocoque structure unites frame and body into a single unbreakable unit. Lightweight yet indestructible, it's engineered to withstand the toughest forces. Inside every door lies the Purex Zero Core, a revolutionary insulation technology. It locks out noise, weather and drafts, keeping your home quiet, efficient and perfectly temperate. Precision is our heritage. We fuse cutting-edge engineering with meticulous craftsmanship. Clarity meets creativity. Our triple-glazed argon gas-filled glass units are designed in-house, offering unmatched energy efficiency and bespoke beauty. Choose from elegant textures or minimalist designs, all without compromising security. Every innovation converges here. The monocoque frame, 10-point locks, and 316 marine-grade stainless steel hardware unit to create one of the strongest doors on the market. Ready to guard your home for decades. Meet our Vanguard Collection, where bold contemporary design meets durability with the Renolit foil finish that will never fade. Your door remains a striking first impression year after year. Experience Palladio firsthand in our showrooms, or design your dream door with our online door designer. Personalize every detail, glass, color, hardware to match your home's unique character. From our workshop to your home, a Palladio door isn't just installed, it becomes part of your story. Secure, serene, and unmistakably yours.